I'm back with part 2. Part 2. Me too. Alexa! Volume 10! Oh, okay. Now all I need to do is take this and put it right there. 1 whisker, done. 2 to go. 2 whisker, done. 1 to go. 3 whisker. Done. 0 to go. Zero. You hear me? 0. Hey guys. Okay guys, I did the wrong thing. I folded it in, even though I'm supposed to put it on my cheek. Cheeky chocolate. Ooh, I love chocolate. Who loves chocolate? Okay guys, let's stop talking about chocolate, because now you guys are going to want to eat it. Don't eat it. Okay. Guys, I'm done. I'm my dog, Aggie. Once and for all. I'm finally done being my dog. Ow. Ow. I need to put my whiskers in a better place. Zunny. Oh, why did I just think of this? Putting it like this. This is a perfect idea. It's better. Making it. Okay, guys, I'm done. Nope. That's a no. I'm not done. Okay, guys, this is the last but not least part. My dog was black with white spots. Ugh. Okay, guys. There's your paper. How long have I been doing this for? What? thing?
On Saturday.
The daisies?
No. The Arctic extravaganza.
Is it already done?
It's Saturday, but
This Saturday?
yeah, but we were supposed to bring this back to school last week on Tuesday,
Oh.
and I forgot.
Could I still bring it back?
Yeah. I'll email this lady, Sarah, and just tell her that you're gonna bring yours tomorrow.
Okay, guys, I'm all done. Don't look yet. Hey, I don't look.
And this we definitely didn't do.
I did read Money Bags Mike. I'm done. Nani's here. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm all done.
She'll get to see you.
And I'll be barking at her the whole time. And here's my bag, guys. She was black with white spots. And you're all my little feeties. Put them on. There's my one foot. And there's two. Okay, guys, I can't really see my feet that well.
We have a special guest